How to change song in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a song in a video with the help of edits. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the edits app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page of the editing app, tap on this plus icon to create a new project, or you can also use the recently finished project. Once you enter the editing section, to change the song, all you have to do is tap on audio with the music icon, click on it, and then choose your preferred song. Then tap on this arrow icon, again tap on done, and remove the previous song by clicking on the song and hitting on delete, and that's it. This is how you can change song with the help of edits. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.